you in there? Oh my goodness, I think we've got big problems here. Dodo's asleep in the box. What are we going to do? How about on the count of 3, everybody yell, "Wake up, Dodo!" Okay, you ready? 1, 2, 3. Dodo, we've got some people here who want to see you. It's time for a show.
Yeah, come on out here.
There's a bright golden haze on the knitter. There's a bright golden haze on the knitter. The corn is as high as an elephant's eye, and it looks like it's climbing clear up to the sky. Oh, what a beautiful morning. Oh, what a beautiful day. I've got a beautiful feeling. Everything's going my way. Oh, what a beautiful day. Everyone say hi, Dodo. Hi, Dodo. No. Your name is Dodo. Oh, your name's Dodo. No. Your name is Dodo, and my name is Jerry. Oh, I got it. Your name is Dodo, my name's Jerry. No, I think we might as well just go ahead and entertain the folks tonight. Go ahead. Huh? Why are you here? Well, because I'm the ventriloquist. Oh, I thought you were a hypnotist. No, I'm a ventriloquist. See, a hypnotist, they put their audience to sleep. I know. Just go ahead and entertain the folks, Dodo. A peanut sitting on a railroad track. His heart was all aflutter. A train came barreling down the track. Toot, toot, peanut butter. Humpty Dumpty sat on the wall. Humpty Dumpty had a great fall. All the king's horses and all the king's men had scrambled eggs for lunch. Dodo, I think it's time for you to go. Can I do a song? Yeah, you want to do one more song? Okay, go right ahead. Oh, supercalifragilisticexpialidocious. Cha-cha-cha. Even though the sound of it is something quite atrocious. Cha-cha-cha. If you say it loud enough, you'll always be precocious. Supercalifragilistic, 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 supercalifragilistic. Expialidocious. Say goodnight, Dodo. Good night, Dodo.